Hey everyone. Well, it's been a while since the last time I posted on YouTube. There was a lot of things happening in the last probably about a year. I no longer have the Corolla, and I blew the motor for the Evo, or on the Evo. And so I've just been working a lot, kind of skating here and there, but mostly just working, going home and playing with the dogs. I did have a life update. I bought a truck, which I'm sitting in here, and it's a 2022 Chevrolet Colorado work truck crew cab 4x4. And a lot of people, which is like my friends and family, were pretty surprised that I got a truck, which, I mean, if you asked me when I was 16, I probably would say I would never get a truck, but got a truck, and I absolutely adore this thing. So soon I'm going to be posting a video where I pretty much just talk about how I've been liking my truck. I just hit 2,000 miles on it. I've had it for about 3 months. And so I'm really excited to show you guys what it looks like already, what I've already done to it, and what I'm going to be doing to it. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably already seen that I swapped out all the badging. I've added running bars, and I've also wrapped my front logo. So, I mean, I wouldn't really call those mods, but I guess changes. And then I also got wheels and tires. They're not on the car yet. Sorry, they're not on the truck yet. So I'm just waiting on Monday, this coming up Monday, to head over to Peak Suspension to have them install my suspension, my 3-inch lift that I'm going to be going with. It's going to also come with some extra goodies, like a upper control arm. Sorry. Yeah, upper control arm. And diff drop, tie rod extensions, stuff like that. So that'll probably be the video after I talk about how I'm liking my truck right now, with all the features that it has and stuff like that. What else is there? But yeah, so stay tuned for that. If you guys have any questions, just write down in the comments whatever you want to ask me. Peace.